This is the Royal Q app. So once you get into the Royal Q app, you can go to the option Mine, and you can see your details here. What is your asset? How many transactions have you done so far? What is your team? Your reward details, and the strategy you want to follow. Let's go to assets first. First, you have to fund this. Okay, click on deposit and put around $120 in it, and then fund your account. And then once you fund, you would get the option here. Now you see the VIP view permission in the top right. You would get the option to buy a bot for $100. So once you buy the bot, you would see your asset from $120 to $20, which is used for every trade a fuel fee is taken. Okay, so depending on the trade. And here in the API binding, and then go to Binance, and then give your API key and secret key and the verification code, so that you get the mail, and then you can put the verification code here. So make sure when you log into Binance, you just generate the through API management, generate the API key, secret key only for your trades, and only for no, not for withdrawals, only for trades. Okay, so make sure you do that. You can also bind your Hubi. Second, other options are in the news and all. Quantitative trading, so this is main important, where you can put your trades here, and then you can select what you want to do. Currently I'm on Avalanche, Kusama, Matic, Quantum, Solana, T-Fuel, Aave, BNB, BTC. So guys, you can choose one of the tokens from here to trade. So let me choose one of them, or let me check the one which I am currently trading. For example, this is 25% down from the time I've taken. I've taken a Kusama at 268. The first buy amount that I have taken, I can put the amount here. Basically, I can put all the trade settings I want to put. Okay, you can get this strategy from here, which strategy to buy with, and then you can set the number of calls you want to make, number of margin calls. Let me set 15. These are the by default settings that they give as part of the app. So margin call, you make 7 calls as part of your trade. So each call would be around $10. So $70 for the trade. Whole position would be 1.3%. If it goes to 1.3% up, then it would make a call to sell, and whole position take profit call back. Let's say if it falls down by 0.3%, it again buys the token. You can also do the margin configuration, where when do you want to make the first call, how many calls you want to make whenever there is a call drop happening. Let's say my first call drop happens after 3.5%. If it falls down 3.5%, I buy one more trade. Let's say it falls 4% from there, I make 2 trades of $10 each. It falls 4.5% from there, I make 3 times. So in total 1 2 3, I will spend around $60 here. In this case, let's say if it falls 5.2% further, then I make in total 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 10. So in total I make $100 trade. So this is how I can set the number of times I would like to trade based on the fall of the token, and then I can give these details here. 12% fall, I can again buy for. I can confirm the settings, and I can say confirm. The moment I say confirm, the settings get applied now, and then the bot starts trading accordingly. There are a few other options like one shot, where you can sell in one shot, or you can have a cycle here where it trades in cycle, and then you can buy on sell if you want to liquidate. If you don't have money and if you want to liquidate, and you can sell in loss if you want, but don't go for that option. You can stop the margin calls which are happening, which are taking place, and then there are a few other options. You can buy on demand if you want. If you feel that if you want to buy for some more extra, you can click on the option to buy, and then for which price and which amount. So all these options are there where you can set.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
And then you can see the take profit trigger price. That is $272. If it goes more than $272, then it would, I average is 268. I would sell it. If it goes more than $272, it would trigger. So almost $4 profit. And you can basically, this is as part of the board getting set. So you can change these settings by changing all this trade call ratio that you want to make change, and then you can change this profit ratio to 3% or 4%, and then accordingly your settings get changed here. So if you see, it was 273 earlier, and now it is 277, the take profit trigger price. So accordingly you can set the bot and it would automatically trade for you. Okay, so this is how the bot works, and then the calls takes place. You can select the coin and you can set how you want to trade, and you can see the transaction history as well, and the profits that it has taken here. So you can check all the history here, and then the same history is also shown in your revenue details. So my today's profit is around $8, if you see. So my total cumulative in the I started the bot on 19th. Now the date is 1st July. The last 10 days I made $60. This is just based on the $10 trades. If you have more, you can try to trade more as well. Okay guys, so if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye. Have a good day.